So today we are in Backus Woods, which is one of Nature Conservancy of Canada's nature destinations. Backus Woods is in the Carolinian zone of Ontario. The Carolinian zone is only 1% of Canada's land mass, but it's actually home to 25% of Canada's species at risk and 25% of Canada's population. Backus Woods is a great nature destination for southern Ontario. We have 21 kilometers of trails that are open year-round for the public to access for hiking, bird watching, and cross-country skiing.